Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other mining website. My name is Mustafa Saadat. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this one is the mining website. The mining website is very easy. Just put your wallet address and start mining. And this is the all mining platform website. You can buy with the Bitcoin and you can earn much more. Okay, right now I started mining. How it's work, just put your wallet address and click start mining. Okay, the mining is start daily pay you this much Bitcoin, and you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 0.005. daily point is 0.00144, and after 5 days or 3 days you can come back here and you can withdraw your funds. Okay, after 5 days they pay you the 0.005 Satoshi. Okay, and this is the hash power you can buy, and this is the minimum of buying web this hash power. Daily pay you this much if you do buy this one, and 30% of offering bonus pay you. And this is the 5 PTC winner. Okay, this is the 5% to win this 1 BTC every one of these person, and direct transform their Bitcoin wallet address. And this is the referral link to you can use your referral link to self. This is the website referral link, and come back to account. You can find your own referral link. Okay, none of other people refile myself. I didn't refile myself. This is the visitor. The visitor is just you and your IP address. Okay, and you can refer other people with this link. Okay, this is the referral link. You can copy this link and paste to other friends, your friends. They come back and register themselves. Okay, and this is the full of the referral link, and you can copy or paste to your friends. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching guys. This website link in description. Click the link and come here. Just put your wallet address and you can withdraw your funds after 5 days. After 5 days you come back and the minimum withdrawal reached, and you can withdraw and they pay you. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.